just reached with Qatar, guys, and we are here in Doha right now. It's only 1 hour travel from the bus going to Qatar. I'll keep you updated later. Thank you. Nandito tayo guys sa Banana Island Resort reception area. And of course, Filipino ang reception dito kaya na-assist tayo ng ng mabuti. Ayun, maganda siya. It's a private island where you're gonna need a cruise or a boat just to access that island from here in Qatar, Doha. And ayan ang reception area nila kung mag-inquire kayo. Hello kuya. So kung pupunta kayong Qatar, try nyo to and experience the luxurious Banana Island here in Doha, Qatar. And of course, you'll be enjoyed with your friends and whoever you want to come with them. If you guys want to come to Qatar, so you guys can take this activity and bring your friends and you guys can go to the middle of the sea. So you will see the view, you will see the amazing, picturesque buildings from here.
Welcome to
Okay, bye-bye.
Okay, bye-bye. See you.
Guys, I just arrived here in Qatar Doha airport, and of course after the immigration stamping there's a lots of there's an information center once you will go out from the immigration, and there's a city tour Discovery Qatar also information desk from here, and you guys can select whatever policy, whatever plan you guys want to select. We have here all this plan, and I'm gonna take a picture and put it also I will take a video as well in this, and I will just attach it on this vlog. And then there's also a private tour from here. You guys just ask all the stuff from here and they're gonna assist you and what you're gonna do here in Qatar. So again, this is Andrew Lacochero. I'm gonna update you later guys once I will be in the tour bus already, and I'll just keep you updated and take videos for you to be well informed. Thank you so much and bye-bye. So ito yung packages nila. Paglabas nyo dito sa airport, makikita nyo to. Ayan. Naka-Qatar Real siya at saka naka-USD. And then for 3 hours, mag-stop kayo sa locations na yan. And then meron ditong private tour naman at ito yung cost naman niya. Okay? So, ito yung mga pupuntang city tour guys. Yan yung group na yan. So papunta kami dun ngayon sa bus para syempre sumakay para mag-ikot na. Yun yung guide ng guide o yung staff na nag-work sa city tour company. So let's see. So ito yung city tour bus. Check lang natin dito. Ayan. So punta na tayo sa taas. Sorry. So unahin tayo sasakay para at least makita natin yung ayan. Sa everything. Yan yung bus. So malinis at saka malaki. So nandito na tayo sa unahan. Dito tayo para makita natin ang location mismo. Siyempre. Ayan. May tubig sila. Free wifi car. How you bus. So ayan sila mga kasamahan natin. Ibang lahi. Sige, update kita po kayo later. Baba kami first, namin stopover dito sa may museum. Ayan o. Kanya-kanyang video na lang to, kanya-kanyang picture. Ayan. Mga kasamahan ko. Ang ganda niya, promise. I love it. Sa loob ng bus guys, meron siyang tour guide na nagbibigay information about sa locations or places ng nadadaanan ng tour bus. So sobrang slang ni ate, hindi ko maintindihan masyado. So makinig na lang kayo kasi nosebleed ako.
On your right hand side is the Four Seasons Hotel, and followed by the Falcon residential tower on your right hand side. The falcon is our national bird, and if you have noticed, we do have some art installations of falcons at the airport as well.
At syempre guys, hindi ko na ilalagay dito ang kabuuang video sa pag-iikot namin ng tour bus kasi sa sobrang haba, 4 to 5 hours siya nagdadaldal si ate at ganyan lang ang mga views na makikita nyo. To cut it short, So panoorin na lang yung iba pang mga activities natin para hindi na tayo magtagal. Hindi kayo maboard. So baba na ulit tayo guys. Icon baba natin. Yan siya yung tour guide natin. So nandito tayo ngayon sa may museum. Ministry of Culture, State of Qatar. Ay, ang cute. Super. Ang cute nito. Perfect.
These three mosques remains after the three mosques in Istanbul, and in Islamic realms, each mosque has got its own minaret. The minaret is the tower which is attached to the mosque, as the Muslims we pray 5 times, and the person who announced the call to prayer is called Mu'azzin. So he climbs all the way to prayer. It was in the past, of course, to announce the call to prayer, but nowadays, the living age of technologies, we can be inside. As you can see here, the main entrance is the males, and the first floor is the male prayer hall, and the ladies who would like to come and pray in the mosque, so we are welcome. So just behind the mosque, there is an entrance for female, and the second floor is the female prayer hall. So any questions about the Korea mosque so far? So pigeons, yes. So here I've got a queen pigeon house. In fact, we do have several of them across the city, not only in Phase 3. But I have seen some Qatari houses, we have got their pigeon houses inside their garden. And in this pigeon, good question. So in this pigeon houses, particularly 3 of them, we can accommodate up to 14,000 pigeons. And the purpose of having the pigeon house here in Qatar, we do have some local farms, they are all on the north. And the farmers, they do collect the droppings of pigeons and use it as a fertilizer in local farms. So you can see the pigeons extended outside as well inside, so they can rest. They have a small balcony. And they do have windows as well, that we use for ventilation purposes. I have never been there, maybe some of you have been, yeah. And so it's quite different in size. It's outdoor, it's all made of marble, and they're bought all the way from. And the capacity is 5,000 spectators, so we host the international capacity as well. And the John Legend is playing here in South Canada, early January 2022, so on the World Cup. And last year we had Haven Hart, the Super League football celebrities. Anyway, it's not the next thing, so yeah. So now we're going inside, we'll do the further stop in the interesting spot. If you would like to perform as well, please feel free. So before we move in, let me talk about these 2 face masks as well. So you can see the 2 batulas, the 2 face masks. So in the past, the Bedouin tribes, they used to live in the desert, and as we know, the climate is quite harsh. And the ladies, they did not have any sunscreen to apply and protect themselves from sun and heat. And they used to cover their face with a face mask called batula. So actual batula is made of leather in a metallic shape, just to talk to show up the culture. And nowadays, they don't use it anymore, as all the beauty cosmetics are, we don't need them. But sometimes I do spot some ladies, they do use for privacy reasons.
Para siyang Colosseum dito. Amphitheater.
It's a bit less as well. Like me, it's perfect.
Ang ganda.
The Suq Waqif. So if we translate the phrase, the Suq Waqif, from Arabic to English, that means a standing market. So in the past, the Qatari nation, they used to stand here in the Suq Waqif, and they have displayed their goods just on the floor, and they have traded by standing. That's how the name has arrived. And in 2003, we had a big fire. Some electrical issues were here, and after the
So nandito na tayo ngayon sa souk sa Qatar, guys.
Yeah. So, yeah, it's one more. And the toilet is body, the straight all the way, and on the left you will find the sign. And as long as
Parang bayabas. Para siyang apple, small apple. Mga souvenirs, guys, ng pang Qatar. Ayan, mga ref magnet. Mga camels. Di ba? Ang ganda. So, mga souvenirs. Marang na ito.
Yes, my friend. You like magnet feature? They have more collection inside. Yes, my friend. Yeah. Look come inside for Athletic Farm. Inside it's better, my friend. How are you?
I'm good.
Where from, my friend?
From the Philippines.
Oh, perfect, my friend.
Ano kaya itong malaking thumb na to? Ang ganda ng mga tables nila dito. So guys, while coming to Qatar, I actually booked my hotel in advance, but I changed my mind. It's better to go for walk-in so you can select the best or the amazing hotel you wanted to choose. So I'm here now and I just came by walk-in. So ito na nga guys, gumala tayo ng gabi kasi nagutom. Malapit lang pala, nandito yung hotel ko. Tapos, yung kainan, Filipino restaurant, Boracay restaurant, nandyan lang. Ayan So ganito ang itsura ng ng Souk Waqif sa sa Qatar. Sarado na yung mga souvenir shops. Ayun, maganda doon kasi madaming mga local. Mga local yan sila, no? Trip ko sana magsuot ng tobe.
welcome to Nagal City.
Okay, bye-bye.
Okay, bye-bye. See you.
Oh, ito na nga. Nandito kami ngayon sa Qatar.
Okay.
Meron akong 3 ditong tour guide. Thank you so much, guys.
Bye.
Sa uulitin, ako'y babalik dito.
Metro. Yeah, metro.
Ah, metro to.
Station.
Ah, sige.
Yan.
Bukas. Hindi yan ma-excuse sa akin. Nandyan ako.
Gusto mo ako sa mga nandoon.
So, i-greet mo na lang sila. Shout out mo.
Shout out na lang sa kay Rolly, Mr. Bader, Mr. Walid. Mas Walid!
So,
Regelo, mga
shout out
batch
to
dyan,
everyone
si
there
Tami,
in
Rob,
Jeddah.
Si Rod.
So,
Regelo.
mega loud shout out from Qatar.
Yes.
And Joel is here in the house.
Dito pa ako.
Okay guys, bye-bye.
So guys, nandito tayo, sasakay tayo ng, ano ba tawag dito?
Bangka.
Ng bangka, o di ba? Bangka, papunta tayo sa Laos. Siyempre, sila ate ang kasama. Ayoko mag-isa pa kay tulak ako mag-isa doon walang business. Worth 15 riyals per person. So, one person actually 20 riyals. It's affordable. And if you guys want to come to Qatar and just to have at least 2 to 3 days, so you can enjoy and try this activity. So that would be also for today, guys. I'll keep you updated about my vlog here in Qatar. Thank you so much. Andrew Lacuachero here.
So guys, papunta tayo ngayon sa Laot. Pumunta ako ditong Qatar para manghuli ng isda. Ayan sila ate. Hello te, shout out, say hi. So it's affordable if you guys want to come to Qatar. So you guys can take this activity and bring your friends and you guys can go to the middle of the sea. So you will see the view, you will see the amazing, picturesque buildings from here. Oh my goodness, I love it. Oh, perfect. Ang ganda ng ng area na to, oh. Ayun sila ate from Qatar. Ayan, malapit. Ano tong na to? Bilog na yan. Ayun yung sa FIFA, di ba? Yung logo nila sa FIFA before?
Oo.
Ang ganda ng view, promise. As in, worth it yung worth it ang bayad kay kuya.
Only 50 riyal.
So guys, nandito na tayo sa Laot, di ba? Pumunta lang Qatar, nagpalaot. Ang ganda ng mga buildings. It's amazing. I love it. Nandito tayo guys sa Banana Island Resort reception area. And of course, Filipino ang reception dito kaya na-assist tayo ng ng mabuti. Ayun, maganda siya. It's a private island where you're gonna need a cruise or a boat just to access that island from here in Qatar, Doha. And ayan ang reception area nila kung may inquire kayo. Hello kuya. So kung pupunta kayong Qatar, try nyo to and experience the luxurious Banana Island here in Doha, Qatar. And of course, you'll be enjoyed with your friends and whoever you want to come with them. So that would be all for today, guys. And this is Andrew Lacuachero. God bless.